In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Date Rater Evaluator, what it does, and how to fill it out. It's really quite simple and self-explanatory. The Date Rater Evaluator allows you to rate your dates to see how they compare to the prototype perfect partner that you just created in the matrix, as well as how they compare to each other. Across the top row, you can see the 40 values that you just scored in the matrix, their tier level, and their ranking that you gave each characteristic in the previous module. Your next step is to start entering your matches or your dates, then start giving them a score from 1 to 10 for each characteristic you gave for your prototype perfect partner. You do that by just press the Add Date button and enter the information as shown. I took the liberty of entering the data for Mexican movie star Salma Hayek, Sports Illustrated model Kate Upton, and billionaire TV star Martha Stewart. In full truth and disclosure, I really didn't date them, just in case you thought I did. As you begin to learn more and more about your dates, start giving them a date rating from 1 to 10, 10 being highest, for each of these characteristics you ranked in the matrix. You can do it by using this drop-down menu here, or you can go faster by entering a value and then using your sidebar to go faster. You'll notice that the Tier 1 traits is information you can generally get from their profile. Tier 2 traits when you first meet them. Tier 3 traits when you get to know them better, and so on. When you click on the Add Notes section, the time and date stamp is automatically entered and you can start creating notes. Once you've entered some values, and you can enter just a few or as many as you want, click on the Update Score button to calculate the score right here. You'll see Salma scored a stunning 86, 33% compared to the prototype perfect partner. Kate scored a 77.3, and Martha scored an 82.83, which are all high. This gives you the percentile of how your date compares to your prototype perfect partner based on a weighted average of the traits you selected in the Create a Mate matrix. You may determine at this point that if your date doesn't get at least a minimal score, say 65% or whatever you determine, they may not even be worthy of a first date. You may use your own judgment as well as the availability of other suitable dates. This saves you a lot of time and energy not having to invest time or money on dates that are not suitable. Once you determine that a date reaches a certain percentage, say 85% or more, you can feel more comfortable knowing that they meet much of your basic criteria instead of relying on a hunch or lust. You can now discover how your dates not only compare to your prototype perfect partner, but how they compare to each other as well based on their weighted average percentile. This allows you to select the best from the rest. Stay sexy, my friends, and I'll see you on the next page.